So let us look at the condition for the lines to be perpendicular. So if the lines are perpendicular, the angle between them is pi by 2. So when theta equal to pi by 2, so cot theta will be equal to 0. So that will give us, so we have got tan theta equal to plus or minus 2 root of x square minus ab by a plus b. Cot theta varumbam reciprocal varum. So cot theta will be, so a plus b by 2 root of x square minus ab is equal to 0. So that will give a plus b equal to 0. So if a plus b is equal to 0, so in that case a pair of straight lines are going to be perpendicular. So that is a condition for the lines to be perpendicular. So let us look at an example of finding the angle between the pair of straight lines. So find the angle between the lines x square plus xy minus 6y square equal to 0. So we have tan theta equal to plus or minus 2 root of x square minus ab by a plus b. So here a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 6. So we'll get plus or minus 2 root of, h will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 varum minus ab. So we'll get plus 6 by a plus b is minus 5. So that will be equal to plus or minus root 2 into 25 by 4 varum. So that is 5 by 2 by minus 5. So that is plus or minus minus 1. So tan theta will be equal to plus or minus 1. So therefore now you can find the angle. So if you take tan inverse of 1, that will be equal to pi by 4, and if you take tan inverse of minus 1, so that will be equal to 3 pi by 4. So that is the acute and obtuse angle between the lines. So the acute angle is pi by 4, and if you need the obtuse angle, so that will be equal to 3 pi by 4. So that is the angle of intersection between the pair of straight lines. Now let us look at the equation of the bisectors of angle between the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So bisectors of the angles between the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. And again let us take ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to L1 L1 x plus M1y into L2x plus L2y. Again coefficients edukumbo L1 L2 will be a, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 will be equal to 2h, and M1 M2 will be equal to b. So the lines are, so the pair of lines are L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and L2x plus M2y equal to 0. Now if xy is, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് pair of straight lines ഉണ്ട്, pair of straight lines നെ divide ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു line ഉണ്ട്. Okay. Now if xy is any point on this line, so take the shortest distance from that point to this line and to this line. അപ്പം ഈ രണ്ട് distances equal ആയിരിക്കും. So that will give us this equation. So let xy be any point on the bisector, then it is equidistant from the two lines. From the two lines. So that will give us, the perpendicular distance to this lines will be L1x plus M1y. അപ്പോൾ line in the point ലേക്കുള്ള distance ആണ് L1 square plus M1 square. So that will be equal to plus or minus L2x plus M2y by root of L2 square plus M2 square. Now combining these two equations, you will get L1x plus M1y by root of L1 square plus M1 square. So this is in the form A equal to plus or minus B. So you will get A plus B into A minus B equal to 0. So plus L2x plus M2y by root of L2 square plus M2 square into L1x plus M1y by root of L1 square plus M1 square minus L2x plus M2y by root of L2 square plus M2 square equal to 0 varum. So multiplying this, so this will be now in A square minus B square form varum. L1x plus M1y whole square minus L2x plus M2y whole square by L1 square plus M1 square, then L2 square plus M2 square equal to 0. So cross multiplying, you will get L2 square plus M2 square into L1x plus M1y whole square minus L1 square plus M1 square into L2x plus M2y whole square equal to 0. And now simplifying this, we will get in the form. So open the brackets, and upon simplifying you will get L1 square M2 square minus L2 square M1 square into x square minus y square equal to 2 L1 M2 minus L2 M1 into L1 L2 minus M1 M2 xy. And now here L1 M2 minus L2 M1 will cancel off. So what remains is L1 M2 plus L2 M1 x square minus y square plus 2 L1 equal to 2 L1 L2 minus M1 M2 xy. And now we can use a substitution. So this is 2h and this is x square minus y square equal to 2. This is a minus b xy. So that gives us 2h into x square minus y square equal to 2 a minus b xy. So you will get x square minus y square by a minus b equal to xy by h. So 2 will cancel off here. So this is going to be the equation of bisectors of the angles. So let us see an example also. So find the equation of the bisectors of the angles between the lines x square minus 4xy minus y square equal to 0. So the equation of bisectors is given by, so that will be x square minus y square by a minus b equal to xy by h. And here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and 2h is equal to minus 4. So therefore the equation is x square minus y square by a minus b will be equal to 2xy by h is minus 2. So that implies you will get x square minus y square, 2 cancel out, minus xy above the plus xy variable equal to 0. So this is the equation of the bisectors.